Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a step-by-step makeup tutorial using some of my favorite products. So grab your brushes and let's get started. Firstly, I'll start applying the sponge moisturizer. So this moisturizer has a very good quantity. So this keeps my skin hydrated throughout the day, and also it's a lightweight, non-greasy. So even you can try this, and also along with the hyaluronic acid. This essence, it's really good. Okay, so you can see this. Yeah, it's really good for skin, but do not apply this on a dry skin. Okay, it may dry out the skin. So as soon as you have applied a moisturizer or a toner, you can apply this. So I'm just taking a little bit of amount. I'm using this from Cosrx brand. It's a Korean brand and it's really good for a skin. So the key to flawless makeup is a great skincare. So I'm using this. So you can feel the difference here. So it's very soft, feels so supple. Next I'm using a primer. So this one blurs pores and creates a smooth canvas for foundation. Well, this too much. So I like to focus this on my T-zones and any of the areas where makeup tends to settle. If you have a pores, it may be a large pores or a small pores, it will get covered. Okay, just try to dab it, or else I think this is the right way to apply a primer. You just have to dab it wherever the pores are there. Let me tie my hair so that I'll be even more comfortable wearing my makeup, or else I'll end up wearing my makeup all over my hair. For today's base, I'm using the Swiss Beauty BB foundation. So this product is perfect for those who want a lightweight coverage with a natural dewy finish. I'm just taking a generous amount and I'm going to start by dotting it across my face on my forehead, cheeks, nose and chin. Then I'll use a damp beauty sponge, or even you can blend it with your fingertips as well. As I'm blending, you will notice it gives a nice radiant glow while covering minor imperfections. So it feels super lightweight, so it doesn't even cake up also throughout the day. So if you're looking for a fuss-free product that gives you a natural no makeup look, I think this one is the better one. Moving on to a concealer, I am using this LA concealer to cover dark circles and highlight my face. So I'll apply it under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose and little around my mouth area. Using a concealer 1 or 2 shades lighter than your foundation can brighten and lift your face. You can use a ring finger or a blender to blend. So remember to blend it well to avoid a crease. For foundation, I am using Aiba liquid foundation. So I don't remember the shade here, but I love this formula because it provides medium to full coverage, and also at the same time it feels lightweight on the skin. Always remember to blend down your neck and even ears to avoid the harsh lines. And here I am using a damp sponge to create a more natural and skin-like finish. Get everything, I am using this translucent setting powder, so this keeps makeup in place and reduces shine. Though I like a shine on my face, but at least it stays on place. To add dimension to my face, I'm contouring with this contour palette. So I'll apply it to the hollows of my cheeks, jawline and forehead. Next I'm using a light shade of eyeshadows, so you can use of your own choice. Everyone has their own choice, so I'm using a light shade. So I'm creating a simple day look using this eyeshadow. So I'll start with a neutral shade all over my lids and build a depth using a darker shade in the crease. I'll start by gently applying the kajal on my upper waterline. So I like how creamy and smooth this one is. Oh my god, it glides on effortlessly without tugging. So for more dramatic look, you can also tightline your upper waterline or create a smudged out effect as well, even by blending it. I'll complete the eyes with the eyeliner and finish off with the mascara. Let's shape the brows. So I'm using a natural brow brush to define and fill in sparse areas. So quick strokes help mimic natural hair. So I'm just doing it very quick. Next I'm using a blush. This is a brand from Rennie. Okay, so I'm using on the apples of my cheeks for the fresh rosy glow. To be honest, this blush is highly pigmented and usually I don't prefer highly pigmented blush, but this one is just amazing. How come a makeup look is complete without a highlighter? So here I am using a Mars highlighter, so which goes on my high points of my face for this radiant finish. Mascara is key for adding volume and length to your lashes. So here I am using a Double Trouble mascara, which I completely love. I apply mascara on the upper lash line as well as on the lower lash line so that it enhances your eyes. So here, before applying any lipstick or a lip gloss, firstly you should always pamper your lips. So here I'm using a brush to apply a lipstick. So I'm taking little brighter shade on my face. And here is the final look. So thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Comment below with your favorite makeup product and I'll see you next time.